Hey, what's up, you guys? Today we're gonna make a mini vlog. We're gonna do some corn dogs. So we'll show you how to make this shit. I'm already putting the stick on the wiener.
Those are sticks of corn.
See it? That's what I'm doing. So, and then we're gonna mix everything. So, Lai, do you want to start? And I already washed my hands, by the way.
Me too.
Okay. So Dai is gonna help me mix everything. So
Okay, so since you already have your flour, you're gonna put 1 cup of cornmeal,
pour it in there, mommy.
2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of baking powder, 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 large egg, 1 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter,
Dai is mixing everything and it should look like this. Como not too watery but tampoco too thick, like in between. I don't know how to explain myself. So to make it easy, we're gonna put it in a cup. I don't know if you guys can see it. I thought you needed some help, so Whitney came to the rescue.
She came from the summer.
Oh, she came from the sala.
snitch, bro.
Okay, now Dai is going to put her sausage in there. So that's what she's gonna do. That's gonna make it easier for her. Okay, so now Whitney is going to put it in there. We already have our oil ready. Oh shit.
Oh, they do float.
That one came like a little, with a little lumpy. We used to go in the Bay Area, this spot.
Ben Franklin's. If you guys have not tried it, you guys are missing the fuck out.
Yeah, so if you live in Redwood City, shout out to Redwood City people. Ben Franklin is like the best spot. Oh, shit, you didn't even let me turn it.
Sorry.
Uy, pues no me dejaste ni voltear esto, güey.
I didn't see you.
What do you mean you didn't see me?
I didn't. I was focusing more on this shit.
They sort of look like those bananas that you cook.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. They look like plátanos fritos.
Plátanos fritos, pero con
We need
frijoles
to
adentro.
turn it around.
Pero con frijoles adentro.
Why don't you use those?
Oh, es que todavía está guayito.
Probably. She's gonna make the waffles.
Ain't that some shit?
It is.
She's Don't tell me she gonna make me waffles from fucking.
Oh yeah, tell them the story.
So I was going to Sacramento. Don't show my face.
No.
So I was gonna go to Sacramento to visit my sister Jocelyn, right? Because she lives over there. I asked what was for breakfast so I wouldn't eat here at home before we left because it's a 2-hour drive. So I asked, what are you making us for breakfast? She said, oh, I'm making you guys waffles. When you guys hear that, what do you guys... It looks like a fucking penis.
This one does look like a fucking... Look! Oh my god, you guys! Look at this fucking corn dog! Looks like a pee-pee!
I'm not eating that. Anyways, so I assumed she was gonna make like homemade waffles. I get home to her house, and I'm like, so where's the waffles? She's like, oh, they're in the freezer. Just put them in the toaster. I was like, what the fuck? I thought you were making fucking waffles. So I was finessed the whole time. Who's eating that penis?
Oh my god.
Stop. I'm right here.
Yeah, she's right here with me.
Oh, that one open.
Oh my god, you guys, look at her. Her corn dogs. Okay, Daddy's making more right now. Shit, we have hella fucking salchichas.
Don't show my face.
Okay, mi amor. You guys, no nos peinamos, so we look like shit right now. That's why we're not showing our face.
That one didn't rip. Or at least I think so.
You have to dry your wieners porque están mojados y si no, no se pega el... ¿Cómo se llama? El dough que hicimos. So make sure you dry them. And so it's more safe if you dry it. Porque como acuérdense que están poniendo todo esto adentro del aceite. And it could pop and you could burn. So Daddy is making it and Whitney is frying them. This is the final result of our corn dogs. Nice and gold.
Nice and cool.
Nice and gold.